Hey guys, I am on with Anna Griffin. I saw Gail. Hi Gail, Crafty Mim. Check her out. Subscribe to her channel. I'll leave a link below. Anyway, she shared her Anna Griffin mystery box. Then I've seen a bunch, so I ended up jumping on that bandwagon. I'm kind of like bummed about this though. I think other people got card packs. I got foam squares. Which, okay, that's fine. But that's it in there. Oh, different sizes. I mean, we can always use those, but anywho, it's like, but look at this. Everybody's been Gail got orange, and I was like, and I saw other people get this turquoise blue, and of course, that's the color I was hoping for. Hoping. And I'm going on my trip, and then Margaret and I are going on a trip too. I just booked us an Airbnb. We have not done anything like that so long. And anyway, sorry, I keep getting text while I'm doing this. But yeah, look at this. I don't think it's real. Sophisticated design has captured white surface with. It's called peacock color. Yes, I did not know she did stuff like this, and it's got this nice gold button. But anyway, Margaret and I are going to go in a couple of weeks on down to the ocean in Washington. Town called Westport, so we'll do some videos from there. But isn't that nice? But when I go to Texas, I definitely need this. So I got some stuff lined up. Yay! But I look at this. This is, I think this box was 52, maybe? I don't remember. 12 inches, but look at how long and beautiful these dies. Right there is the price of admission, as I like to say. But I do have a question for you guys. So, you know, I used to have a house other than the one I am in now, obviously, and it has been renovated, and they're putting it up for sale. The gal that is the realtor was my neighbor back in the day, and she has offered to take me on a tour. That's going to be hard. They've done a beautiful job. I've driven by. It's beautiful. I'm surprised. They made such fast work of that. I mean, gosh. But is it right? I think I need closure. I think I'm probably going to go, but would you do it? So it's just going to be, but I'm just dying of curiosity, and I have not been in the back of that house in 7 years, so yeah. And it won't be I'm hoping it just kind of gives me a sense of closure. So if you have any advice or anything, let me know. All right, and then I did get this big pack, so this is worth a lot. Floral papers and embellishments. Look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys. So yeah, it's like, it's going up for sale this weekend. I'm like, wow, I felt like that because it was such a horrendous mess. Oh my gosh, it was terrible. So I'm hoping to see it in better shape would be nice. These are really nice borders. Oh my gosh. Thick cardstock. Wow. Ooh, I like that too. I like that black. So you get two different designs, and it all coordinates back to this paper. Then I get the florals. So they must have given me these to help me with these. I don't know. She does a lot of layering in her stuff. And I think those borders, so it looks like every person gets a different, you know. It is a mystery box, so I just was like, really? Sorry, crinkle. Oh, these antique looking. Oh my gosh, you guys. Those are gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, these are pretty. So yeah, I'm happy with this. You definitely get your money's worth when you do this, because she's stuffed this full of, and she's high quality. I just can't afford her usually, so I thought, oh, I'm gonna go for it. I have a lot of Anna Griffin dyes and things in mustache. There we go. And then there's another version of that. So yeah, I was talking to my boys and saying, what do you think? Should I do it? Anyway, I'll take pictures for them. I'll do it. I know I'm going to do it. So anyway, okay, off that subject, on to a funny one. So yesterday, I'm out at my trailer, and I'm driving away, and my front of my car is making this really loud bump, 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 bump noise, and I'm like, oh my god. And a warning light went on my dash, and I'm thinking, oh, here it is, the car is dead. I stopped the car before I left the park, went underneath thinking, did I get a branch in there? Couldn't see a thing. So I called Brian. I said, I'm coming, meet me at my house. I don't think I'm going to make it to your house. I need you to look at the car. Oh, okay, well, be careful, Mom. And such good boys, they worry about their mama. Anyway, look at these, are gorgeous. So I pull in, and I'm telling you, it wasn't even acting right. And I thought, well, that's it, I'm gonna have to sell the car. So I get home, and he comes over, and I had pulled in and then backed into my parking spot. And he and I drive away and don't hear a thing. The car runs a little rough, so I am going to get a tune-up on it. But anyway, and so he goes, well, I don't know. And then we pull into the driveway, and I look over, and there is this really long, like probably 4-foot-long branch, not a stick, a branch, laying on the driveway. And I go, well, there you go. That was it. And he goes, well, glad I was able to fix your car. I mean, seriously, I have the weirdest things happen to me. Car's been fine ever since, so. Yep. I used to call them Wickheiser moments, but I'm no longer a Wickheiser. But, just weird stuff. I guess weird stuff happens to everybody, but it was just, we were laughing so hard about having all that. Look at these. Ooh la la, very plush. So yeah, this is, most mystery boxes, this would have been the mystery box, this part right here. So I think I done good, especially considering we won't be able to get any of this stuff anymore. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, baby. I'm happy. Thank you, Gail, for sharing yours. She's not even really a big Anna Griffin person. I was like, really? She's getting Anna Griffin? If she's getting it, I gotta get it. I gotta be like all the other cool kids in town. Can't be left out. I've looked at the 49th and Market, and I don't know. I've seen a lot of people getting those as well. I don't know. I go back and forth, as I do. But if you have not checked out my Goodwill haul, you gotta check that out. It's unbelievable, the stuff I found. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, I'm going fast, positive. I got a lot of stuff in here. Oh, not too far. So yeah, it's been a weird week as usual. Kim moments. I mean, other people move out of their houses. I think it's just the way that I left mine. It just was suddenly not my house. I was not prepared. It just, boop. I don't know how people do it that, oh, this is gorgeous. Lose their house in a fire or hurricane or tornado. My heart goes out to you if that's happened to you. Flooding. So, these are gorgeous too. Nice statements. They're what, about 2.5 inches long, maybe? Grateful. Wherever you go, go with all of your heart. There you go. Life is good. Yes, it is. Very good. Thankful. Love that word. Happiness. Laughter makes the heart smile. Well, there you go. My heart's always smiling. I'm always laughing. Favorite moments. We were at a bunch of us at a restaurant recently, and somebody goes, oh, I know that. That laugh. Yep. They used to hear me all over the school laughing. Fun-filled days. Oh, this is really cool. Friends, a priceless treasure. So there is that. And then, on top of that, you get this gorgeous cardstock, which, again, here's these big Herkin pages with the... I would just cut these out, I think. I don't know. I could have a picture of my girls in here and put that up. But, ooh, that's pretty. And this, I'm telling you, you could make box... Oh, it's double-sided. Durr. Oh, yeah. There you go. Love that. And this one... Is that a bee? No. Almost looks like a bee, but it's got a flower for a head. Yep. Gorgeous, though. So, yeah, I don't know. Do you think I have enough paper? Yes, I know I do. This is nice to just, like I said, make sturdy stuff out of. This is not messing around. That's why she's expensive. She makes top quality. Top of the line, I tell ya. That's that one, and here's the other side. That's pretty, kind of a tone on tone. And I'm so sad I don't get to go to Emma's play. But her instructor, the music teacher, is a good friend, so I'm gonna ask if I can't come to one of the practices and just see her do her part or something. We'll see. That is gorgeous. Look at those roses. And then this beautiful on the other side. I'll have to get in touch with my French side of me, you know. This looks like a pretty wallpaper. Like a powder room or something. Okay, I can't get it apart. If I go to the house, of course, I'll tell you all about it. Don't you worry. My life is an open book for you guys. Oh, love that. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. Gorgeous. Yes, I'm very happy with this set. And the last paper, this is gorgeous. And this. All right, you guys. Ooh, and I even get a nice piece of nothing like some good cardboard there. Okay, that is it from me. I will talk to you all soon. Take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.